age group that you date? I'll say 20 to 24. 20 to 24? Why 20 to 24?
Hadn't put up a sack in 12 quarters, finally did.
Poisonous, slap all y'all niggas for coming in space with that shit.
That night, I dreamt of a blind swordsman.
M-E-T-H-O-D, 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 M-E-T-H-O-D. Hey, you get off my time. You don't know me and you don't know my style. Who be getting glam when they come to a jam? Taser, need to change your ways. Take a page from a king. Still doing this thing that man made you look. I done cracked the code like capture. The money and the gold, what I'm after. You need to show a shot. Come on. I met this girl when I was 6 years old. What I love most, she had so much soul. She was old school. I wasn't sure, never knew throughout my life she would be there for me on a regular.
Who are you?
What's up, y'all? This is Nas.
Nas, welcome to Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada.
Appreciate it.
I have a gift for you, Nas.
Let's go. What up, y'all? Hey. Bosses, your lordship. Niggas talking yachts and some more shit. I used to run a block, now I'm corporate. Hopping out, you know it's Nas when the doors lift.
Civismo, nacionalismo, programas sociales, ecológicos y deportivos.
¿Usted se cree el Robin Hood antioqueño?
De ninguna manera, pero de todas maneras.
This is for my ghetto motherfuckers.
Let's bounce. Basketball, CPR bikes, switching gears, headlights, charge for pipe, ladies freeze like this. The bees want that D-boy, Benson and D. Pack that heat boy, put you where you rest in peace, boy. Making me out, looking guys like Tony and the ball drop, and then now, bringing niggas to slap top. This is Philly. I said, how y'all feeling tonight? That's Philly right there. Slow it down. Our worst enemy is us. If we get our shit up right the way it's supposed to be, we can live in harmony and unity. No matter whether you're black, white, Latino, Asian, whoever you are. It's up to us. So I beg our youth of Philadelphia, love you. You are here for a reason. You are standing on the shoulders of our ancestors. Let's not mess this up. Squash the beef. Put the shit behind us and rise. Believe who you are was meant to be here. Your great-grandmother and grandfather lived so you could be here. Stop the bullshit, y'all. It's too good out here. This fucking weather, the city of brotherly love. Philadelphia is historic because of us. I love y'all. All right, I'm done. I'm sorry. Spread my voice to the whole world. That's my time, and I love you. Thank you. All of y'all back there, I see you on this beautiful night. To the side, what's up?
Before, till I'm overseas on tour. Beat this Ethiopian queen from Philly. Studying film, focus fast, focus record. Said she working on a flick, cut my click through the score. Yo, she loved my show in Paris, said at least see my mark. Said I stepped on stage and took a piece of her heart.
I'm walking with peasants, pleasant surprise. Rapping better than you guys, despise me. You should have named me your guy. I'm high, loaded like potatoes, no poppy like mayo. Wanna hold it, you a pasta rigatoni. This hop is lonely, but I never feel alone. After all this time, they have made so many clones. The Almighty, I'm winning cause God likes me. Most likely, surviving with the shiesty. Turn me to a maximum white man, I'm stacking